it on myself to take back what once was mine. For I don't expect the thief to graciously return it in time. And I've always said I don't mind the burden of a thorn in my side. You've been so unwell, so ill, and I feel that I'm somewhat to blame. For a horse never asked to be ridden uphill as much as he's asked to be named. And it's true, these wounds heal in time, but I am pain from a thorn in my side. She's told, and I'm worried she may not survive, for the nights are increasingly cold. She's becoming too ill to fight, and I bowed my head down to find a scar from a thorn in my side. Now if silver could buy what I need, well, your father, yes, I'd work for free. But if gold could be bartered for